Hello and welcome to Trade to Infinity. We all know that the starting moments of the day of stock market are very crucial for traders, and we can make good money in starting of trading day if we have a tested strategy. Today we are going to discuss a very beautiful strategy that works awesome on stocks, whether it is US market or Indian market. This strategy is a pure price action based, which is the best form of trading. Here, we use three components. 1. Pivot points, Fibonacci. 2. Volume. 3. Shape of candle. Here is how to enable the pivot points from the Indicators tab on the Trading View. We will use 5 minutes time frame for the strategy. You will need to apply pivot points in the Indicators tab and then change it to Fibonacci as shown in the video. Also, apply volume indicator and enable MA in that. We are applying this strategy to Apple stock at 5-minute time frame. We are looking at the 1st of July here. This is our first 5-minute candle. We need to analyze this with respect to all three parameters: pivot points, Fibonacci, volume, and shape of the candle. If the price crosses above or below the pivot point with a volume greater than the moving average line and the shape of the candle also shows strength, then we can take the trade and aim for 1%. A candle is said to be showing strength if 1. It has no small wick towards the side it is moving. 2. The size of the candle is not small as compared its previous candles. Here is what I mean. 1. Here, the first 5-minute candle clearly crosses and closes above the pivot point. 2. The volume of this candle is greater than the moving average line of volume. 3. The shape of the candle is showing strength, as it has a small wick, and the length is also not smaller as compared to earlier candles. So, we can take the trade here, and aim at 1%, and we also achieve that. Simple, yet powerful. In the same manner, trades need to be taken if all our conditions are satisfied. This is on July 5th. Our condition is not getting satisfied here as the first candle has not crossed up or down any pivot point, so we don't need to check any other condition and we won't enter the trade with this strategy. This is July 6th. Here all our conditions are satisfied and we enter the trade and make good profits. July 7th again gives us the chance to enter the trade at the close of the first candle itself. We enter the trade and welcome profits. Speeding up the testing now, assuming that you would have understood the strategy well. Stop loss is to be kept just below the low of the first candle. You can try out this amazing price action strategy on your stocks and let me know the results. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.